Alright, peeps. Today is Monday, May something, and that's the third UFO that pops out of underneath that bright star to the left. And they go a few feet and then they disappear. And they pop out of nowhere. There's another one right there. You see it? Bam. That one just appeared. That's number 4. And it's gonna kind of shimmer out in a little bit, or whatever you want to call it, dim out, turn off. You see it right above the edge, and it's gone. Yeah, I can't even see it with my naked eye. And there's another one. Bam, just popped out of nowhere. You see it? Little bright light right at the edge of the garage. That's number 5. And it's going to keep going until it disappears. And then there's going to be another one right behind it. They just like pop out of black skies. See, there's another one going to pop out right now. Bam, there it is. Number 6. And then they fade out about right there. You see it right above the edge of the garage roof line. Still can barely see it with the naked eye. And right where it reaches that little peak to the left of the pipe, it disappears. And then there's the other one. Bam, just out of blackness. That one's pretty bright. And then it dims out right about there. See it dimming out? Dimming out, and it's out. Oh no, it's still there. My bad. I'm trying to keep an eye on it with my naked eye. And then there's the other one. That's number 7. Bam, see it? Lighting up right at the edge. Boom, number 7. That one's a little lower. I hope you guys can see the little light flashing and about to dim out. That was number 7. Here comes number 8. I guarantee you, there it is. Bam, number 8. Just popping out of that dark area right there. They pop out of there. They get shiny like that. And then they dim out right about there. Isn't that the weirdest thing? The fuck is going on? Was that number 8? Let's watch for number 9. Watch it. Right there. Boom, out of nowhere. Number 9. And the other one is nowhere to be found. Let's go for number 10. Number 10 should be popping out anytime. There's number 10. Right there, I can see it. Just popped out of nowhere, and it's about to get brighter, people. Check that out, number 10. Bam, you see it? Just lit itself up. Number 10. Wow. Just no doubt, 2020 is the weirdest year ever. Still see that one with the naked eye, but you can't see it on the phone anymore. So let's go to the next one. Number what? 9, 10. I lost count. See the helicopter or the airplane on top? See, that's how you know it's an airplane, because it does that. Blink, 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 and blink. So I take it there's either an airplane headed out towards the direction and where those things are coming, because they stopped coming out. See that? And that airplane shows up, and no more UFOs. Isn't that weird? And then there's no sign of the other ones anywhere. They blacked out right about there, and then there's nothing in the sky except for that bright ass light from the neighbors. And there are no more UFOs thanks to that stupid airplane. Excuse my language. But you see it? It's kind of hovering around the area where they were popping out. Big coincidence. But who knows? What I want to know is what the hell are those lights popping out of just the dark sky, cruising across the sky, and then blinking out or turning off or doing whatever it is they're doing right about there. Alright, so no more orbs, because that airplane is still there. Airplane, helicopter, whatever it is. Alright, man, I'm gonna continue watching the sky. I'll continue recording. Keep you updated on the crazy stuff that goes around the skies of the San Fernando Valley. Keep your eye on the sky, people. Keep your eye on the sky.